Many firearms instructors talk about the rule of threes when it comes to personal protection and concealed carry. The rules suggest that most gunfights or dangerous encounters with a firearm occur within 3 yards, last 3 seconds or less, and involve 3 or fewer gunshots. Your training or firearm choice should focus on a quick, close-range mindset for effective personal protection. Kel-Tec set out to create the ultimate point-and-shoot personal protection pistol, unencumbered by norms or status quo. It's a go-anywhere, everyday carry pistol that's extremely concealable and ready for everything from the boardroom to the backcountry or wherever your life and activities take you. It looks different. It feels different. It loads, shoots, and performs like no pistol you've ever fired before. Chambered in 5.7 by 28mm, the Kel-Tec PR57 holds 20 plus 1 rounds, is top-loaded, clip-fed, and comes optic-ready. With all its features, it's the lightest 5.7 caliber pistol ever produced. The PR57 is an innovative new approach to personal protection. Innovation, performance, Kel-Tec.